Hi guys, today we discuss about where condition in SAS. Firstly, the purpose of where condition in SAS is used for filter the dataset. Here, the meaning of filter is to separate the wanted data from the existing data. We call as a filter. For explain about where statement, we take example from SAS help and take class dataset and we will write code for that data demo and name that data set with the demo name and set SAS help dot class and run. Okay, we run this code and before opening data set we check log at once and log is clear and we are opening demo. And here we have a demo data set with the variables of name, sex, age, height and weight. Here one variable age we have observations 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 like this. Now I want to separate the data of age equals to 12 students. In this situation we use where statement. Now we are writing code for that, and before writing the code where statement are in two ways. Firstly is statement and second one is an option. First write where statement as a statement where demo 1 and set demo. Demo is already existing data, demo 1 is a new data, and where age equals to 12 and I am running this code. Before opening data set check log at once and log is clear and we are opening demo 1. Here we are only getting age equals to 12 students. Okay, now we write where condition as an option, then how it will be. And I name out the data set with the demo 2 and set demo where equals to age equals to 12 and run. And running this code. Before opening data set check log at once, that is a must, and the log is clear and we are opening demo 2. Here we are only getting age equals to 12 as an option. Now we are another way of write option, that is demo 2a. I name the data set with the demo 2a and where equals to age equals to 12 and set demo and run. Before opening the data set check log at once and log is clear and now we are opening demo 2a. Here we are only getting age equals to 12. Now here we are writing as a statement, we are writing as an option. Both are filter the data from the existing data set for particular condition. And what is the difference between these two options? Okay, first thing, if you write here filter the main data, if you write here it filter the data and get in new data set. Got it? This is the difference in these two options. Now we can apply where condition for more than one variable also, then how it will be. Okay, and I named the data set with the demo 3 and I set demo and where also sex equals to m and where also age equals to 12 and run, and I am running this code. Before opening data set check log at once and log is clear and I am opening demo 3. Here we are only have age equals to 12 and sex equals to 10. Okay, now observe here this is the main data set named demo and here we have age equals to 11 to 16. Now we are applying only on age equals to 12. That's why we are getting age equals to 12. We are applying now any filter condition in sex. That's why we are getting sex m and f. Now we are applying that sex variable also of m. That's why we are getting like this. Like this we can apply number of filter conditions and number of variables by using also. Okay, now we can apply where condition in one variable for two observations and also on numeric and also on character. First on numeric and name the dataset with the demo4 and set demo and where age in. Here we are using in operator and 12 comma 13. Okay, and I am running this code. Before opening dataset, check log it once and log is clear, and I am opening demo4. Here, observe here, we have age equals to 12 and 13 also. Like this, we can apply a two observation in one variable on numeric variable. Now we can apply on character variable. Then how it will be? I named the data set with a demo file and a set demo and where name in Alfred and William. Okay, I am running this code. Before opening data set, check log it once. Okay, log is clear. Now I am opening demo file. Here we are getting only names of students Alfred and William. Like this, we can apply filter condition by using where statement. Now we can apply filter condition in one variable more than two observations. Then how it will be? I named the dataset with the demo 6 and set demo where age in 12, 13, 14. Like this, you can increase the number of observations by using in operator. And I am running this code. Before opening dataset, check log it once and log is clear, and I am opening demo 6. Here we are getting of age variable with the observations 12, 13 and 14. Okay, now up to here we can only apply where condition in a data set. Now we can apply where condition in any procedure steps also, as statement, as an option. And for this I am taking the examples from proc sort procedure. Okay, first one as a statement in a proc sort data equals to demo, and I am giving out demo 7 and by age sorting and where age equals to 12. This is like a statement of where condition in a procedure step, and I am running this code. Before opening dataset, check log it once and log is clear, and I am opening demo 7. Here we are getting age equals to 12 in procedure step. Now we can apply as an option in a procedure step. Okay, and where is proc sort demo equal data equals to demo out demo 7a, and I am applying where as an option where equals to age equals to 12 by age and run. And before opening dataset, check log it once and log is clear, and I am opening demo 7a. Here we are getting data set in a procedure step as an option. Like this, we can apply filter conditions by using where condition or statement. And for practicing, make your own examples. Like what? For example, if you separate only age equals to 11 from this data set, or only female students, or only height greater than 50, like this, if you practice your own examples, you may understand easily and fastly. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.